Strong knees, unleash your potential. Want to run faster, jump higher, and move with ease? Imagine the freedom of movement, the exhilaration of pushing your limits, and the joy of achieving your goals. Strong knees are the key. They provide the foundation for all your physical activities, from the simplest daily tasks to the most demanding sports. They're like the superheroes of your body, supporting you in every adventure. Whether you're climbing a mountain, leaping over obstacles, or sprinting to the finish line, your knees are there to power you through. But weak knees can hold you back, increasing the risk of injuries. Pain and discomfort can limit your activities and prevent you from enjoying the things you love. Don't worry, getting strong knees is achievable for everyone. With the right exercises and a little dedication, you can build the strength and stability needed to protect your knees and enhance your performance. In this guide, we'll unlock the secrets to powerful knees with simple exercises and tips. From lunges and squats to specialized routines designed by experts, you'll find everything you need to strengthen your knees and improve your overall fitness. Get ready to move with confidence and unleash your full potential. Embrace the journey to stronger knees and discover the difference it can make in your life. Whether you're an athlete, a dancer, or just someone who wants to stay active and healthy, strong knees are your ticket to a more vibrant and dynamic lifestyle. Your journey to powerful knees starts now. We're about to dive into the world of knee-strengthening exercises and expert tips. You'll discover how to target those knee muscles and boost your overall fitness. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this guide has something for you. Let's get started on building those strong and resilient knees. Weak knees holding you back? Do you find yourself struggling with everyday activities because of knee pain or weakness? Knee pain or weakness can really put a damper on your day. It can make even the simplest tasks feel like monumental challenges. Simple things like climbing stairs or playing with your kids can become a challenge. You might find yourself avoiding activities you once enjoyed just to avoid the pain. This can happen if you're inactive or if you're putting too much stress on your knees without proper support. Sitting for long periods can weaken your muscles, while overexertion can lead to injuries. The good news is that with the right exercises and lifestyle changes, you can overcome these challenges and get back to doing the things you love. Strengthening exercises can help build the muscles around your knee, better support, and reducing pain. Regular physical activity, combined with proper techniques and equipment, can make a significant difference. So, don't let weak knees hold you back. Take the first step towards a pain-free life today. Exercises and tips. Ready to strengthen those knees? Let's start with some simple yet effective exercises. Squats, lunges, and calf raises are your new best friends. They target the muscles surrounding your knees, providing them with the support they need. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity. And don't forget about stretching. Flexible muscles work better and are less prone to injury. The Big Three, your ultimate knee strengtheners. Strengthening your knees is crucial for maintaining mobility and preventing injuries, whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay active in your daily life. Let's focus on 3 amazing exercises that will supercharge your knee strength. These exercises are simple, yet highly effective, and they can be done almost anywhere with minimal equipment. First, squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets not only your knees but also your thighs, hips, and lower back. Lower your hips as if sitting back in a chair, keeping your back straight. Make sure your knees do not extend past your toes to avoid unnecessary strain. Push through your heels to return to standing. This movement engages your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. Next, lunges. Take a step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Lunges are excellent for improving balance and coordination while strengthening your knees. Push off the front foot to return to starting position and repeat on the other side. Ensure your front knee is aligned with your ankle to maintain proper form and prevent injury. Finally, calf raises. Stand with your feet flat on the ground. Calf raises are often overlooked, but are essential for building the muscles around your knees and improving overall leg strength. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground. This exercise targets your calf muscles, which play a crucial role in stabilizing your knees. Slowly lower your heels back down. Controlled movements are key to maximizing the benefits and minimizing the risk of injury. Remember to focus on proper form and start with a few repetitions, gradually increasing as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week for the best results. Over time, you'll notice improved knee stability, reduced pain, and enhanced overall leg strength. So get started today and give your knees the strength they deserve. Strong knees, strong you. Building strong knees isn't just about acing those workouts. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. Strong knees give you the freedom to move with confidence, participate in activities you love, and live life to the fullest. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises and tips a part of your routine, and you'll reap the rewards of strong and healthy knees for years to come. Join the Strong Knee Crew. So, are you ready to embrace the power of strong knees? Share your experiences with these exercises in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome fitness tips and tricks. Let's build a community of strong and active individuals, one squat at a time.